Hey, if you're still watermarking images one by one in Photoshop, you're wasting time. In this video, I'll show you how to add professional text or logo watermarks to images in seconds, automatically and at scale. This is using the Watermark Image API by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. You'll require no design tools and no manual work. So, how does it work? First thing, you must upload the image or images that you'll use. For example, I've uploaded one image, but you can add as many as you want. Next, come the options for the watermark. You can either use a watermark text or a watermark logo. You can only choose one of the two, so if you choose logo, make sure that the watermark text is empty. Once you've selected the type of watermark, you can choose additional options like the watermark position, the size, the opacity, etc. And finally, the output format. We'll choose a logo for this watermark. For the position, you can also choose a horizontal offset or a vertical offset. Just make sure to use the custom watermark position. We'll leave it at the center for this demo. And once you're ready, you simply click Start. And now we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you get a direct download link for each watermarked image. You can see the original image here and the watermarked image here. And you can download the image instantly, or if you have several, you can export them as JSON, CSV, or Excel files. This API replaces manual watermarking, expensive design software, and inconsistent branding with fast batch processing, professional image quality, and fully automated workflows. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this API, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.